outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their home.
Hello everyone, welcome to my Decorate for Christmas with me video. I really hope that this video gives you some inspiration for how you're going to decorate your home this Christmas. I have started decorating mine incredibly early, but there are no rules at all to 2020. If you want to get your Christmas decorations out and decorate your home and make it look all festive and that's going to make you happy, then you do that. I think with the way the world is right now, if having your house full of twinkly fairy lights and colourful decorations is going to put a smile on your face, then I'm all for it. So I thought I would film a little bit of my decorate with me, and that is my bedroom Christmas tree that I'm fluffing there. I have never had a Christmas tree in my bedroom before, so I thought I'm going to get a nice pencil Christmas tree and let it twinkle in the corner of the bedroom and help me to relax of a night and just make the bedroom nice and cosy and Christmassy. I've never done it before, and I have to say I will be doing it every year from now on because it is so lovely and so relaxing, as you're going to see. I got this Christmas tree from eBay. I will link everything in the description box down below for anybody who may want to purchase one of these Christmas trees. And the lights also, whatever I can find, I will link in the description box down below.
And with joy and laughter, let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing.
So that's the Christmas tree all fluffed and looking lovely, but before we take it upstairs, there is a very small advertisement that is going to be included in this video just now. Today's video has kindly been sponsored by Designer Fragrances. Designer Fragrances are an online website where you can purchase air fresheners for your home, for your car. My favourites are the blast cans. I absolutely love them. You'll have seen these feature quite a few times in my cleaning videos. You can use them on your faux flowers, in your wardrobe, in your shoes. You can basically use them anywhere and they will make anything smell fresh and clean. My favourite is the Flare and the Fresh Linen. These are definitely the two that I reach for the most. I spray one little spray. I'm going to show you now. I spray one little spray and that is enough to fragrance the room for hours. It smells absolutely gorgeous. I love the Fresh Linen. Just one spray is all you need. You don't need to overspray this. One little spray in each room and it will last for hours. I can spray this in the morning, go out and come back in the afternoon and I can still smell the air freshener in my home. They are amazing value for money. They are around £4.99 or £5.99 a tin. I know some, like the Flare, which is my favourite, is £5.99 and I think the Fresh Linen is £4.99 a tin. I'll link everything in the description box down below for you so you can go and check them out and have a little look. But I highly recommend your first purchase, if you've not tried Designer Fragrances before, to try Flare or Fresh Linen. They are such nice fragrances. So thank you so much to Designer Fragrances for sponsoring this little part of my video.
When everything's white.
So we now have the Christmas tree upstairs and I'm about to start attaching the little twinkly fairy lights to the Christmas tree. And back in 2018, a lot of you commented on how I put the lights on my Christmas tree, and I have always put them on up and down the tree and not round and round the tree. I just think they are extremely hard to remove when you wrap them around the tree rather than weaving them up and down the tree. They are so easy to take off. I highly recommend that you try it the way that I do it this year, and I'm pretty sure for every year here on out you will use my method for putting your lights on your Christmas tree. It's just so much easier, and I think the overall look of the Christmas tree when it's all finished with the lights on, it looks better, it looks more even. and the lights just twinkle perfectly for me when I do them this way. So I'm going to do a little quick hoover because there was a little tiny bit of snowflock on the floor, and rather than walking it all around the bedroom, it's just easier to vacuum it up. So I'm going to use a little bit of deco mesh, which I will again link in the description box down below for anybody who wants to purchase any. I did purchase about 5 or 6 large rolls of this, and then I went on and purchased some smaller ones, so I will link them as well to save you having to cut it. But I just weave it into the tree. As you've just seen, I cut pieces that are around, I don't know, 12 inches maybe, and weave them into the tree. They just fill any gaps, and because there's like a little translucent strip and sometimes a pearlized strip that runs through this deco mesh, the light just catches perfectly, as you're going to see now. But I highly recommend the deco mesh for your Christmas tree.
What a bliss, a green red delight with glimmering silver wine. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day.
I did have a slight problem with the clips of me attaching all the baubles to the Christmas tree. I couldn't get it off the SD card onto the memory stick to be able to put it into Final Cut Pro to edit, so I am sorry that that footage isn't there and that I lost it, but it's pretty straightforward. There is a lot of crystal and maybe little touches of silver in this Christmas tree, but I think the overall effect is absolutely beautiful. The tree skirt around the bottom is a pillow slip. I bought a king size fur duvet with 2 pillow slips from B&M stores to cut into tree skirts, because I ended up purchasing 5 of these pencil trees. I don't want to give too much away because I want to keep as many surprises for the home tour as possible. But now that the bedroom Christmas tree is done and you've had a little slight look at it, we're going to come downstairs and I'm going to show you how I attach my garland to the fireplace. So I'm using a 9-foot snowflock garland. This is from Tasker's. They are £30 and I purchased 5 of these for around the home, as you will see in the home tour. But I used one on the fireplace and I used some command hooks to secure it. I do have a video on YouTube of me decorating my fireplace, but I'm unsure whether I included how I actually attach it to my fireplace. So in this video you're going to see, but here's our dolly to show you how she is wearing half of the snowflock Christmas tree, because she's got little bits of snow. Oh, how gorgeous is our dolly. Oh, she's so cute, but she ends up with lots of snow on it. They all ended up with lots of snow on them, but I think it makes them look more festive. So we've got the Christmas music on, as you can see, Mariah Carey in the background. Let's get to attaching the garland to the fireplace.
Feeling alone, kinda misty, waiting now for you to come.
There are lots of ways to find the centre of your garland. You can hold each end and join them together and then find the middle that way. I prefer to just pop it over the fireplace, fluff it up a little bit, check that the sides are equal as can be, and then I get the command hooks and put them in place and secure the garland.
Little things that I wanna hear, and the stars up above are smiling when they see you holding.
And as you can see, I've put 2 hooks in the middle at the end, and then I wrap 2 pieces of the garland around each hook, and that secures it in place. These command hooks are absolutely brilliant, and these ones aren't even command hooks. I think these are the Home and Bargain's own. I think they're about 79p, and as you can see, they're not right at the front of the fireplace, they're in the middle, so that the weight isn't all at the front. It's balanced, maybe, is that the word that I'm looking for? But they're in the middle of the fireplace, and it just makes it easier, and it also creates that nice swag into the middle of the fireplace. There are lots of ways that you can do your garland. This year I chose to have a nice swag dip in the middle, as you can see, and by placing the hooks in the middle of the fireplace, it created more of that drop into the middle, which I absolutely love.
On a very special Christmas Eve.
Then once it was all safe and secure, I just went on and fluffed the branches. I fluffed them up, but in my home tour you will see that this looks a little tiny bit different. I'm also going to fluff one of the other trees. Like I said, I purchased 5 of these trees, and you will see everything that I have done with them in the home tour. I'm not going to decorate the garland or the Christmas tree in this video. I'm going to save it for the home tour because I want it to be a lovely surprise for you when you all see it. And that's it, that's my video done. I really hope that it's given you some ideas for your fireplace garland on how to hang it, and there are plenty of ways that you can hang it. And I would like to thank Designer Fragrances for sponsoring that small section of today's video, and I would just like to say a huge thank you to all of you for supporting me and giving me these amazing opportunities to be able to create content as Toni Interior and to share some inspiration with you all, be it cleaning, Christmas decor, lifestyle. I'd just like to say thank you to everybody who watches my videos, gives them a thumbs up and leaves me a comment. It really does mean the world to me, and I really hope that you all have a fabulous day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye for now.
Around midnight, way up high, there's an angel in the sky. The glitter and the shine, she must be divine. What a night, what a sight. Ring the bells loud and clear. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.